Okay, so I'll be showing to you how to create your Facebook cover photo and your LinkedIn background photo. Okay, so this is for optimizing your profile. So first, you have to subscribe and open a Canva account. So you just have to go to canva.com. Okay. So using your email address, signed up for an account for Canva. So we're gonna use Canva to help us design our Facebook cover photo and our LinkedIn background photo. Okay, so once you have opened an account in Canva, so let's start with Facebook cover photo. Okay, so you can see here templates for Facebook cover photo. So you can start with blank Facebook cover photo or the one with the designs. So if you can see here a crown, so that means this is for pro. So this is a paid Facebook cover photo. So you don't need to pay something to create one. So all you have to do is to look for that is free for you to design. Okay. How about let's start this one. Okay. So we're going to click it and then click customize this template. Okay. So we're gonna turn this into a bookkeeping Facebook cover photo. So all we have to do is edit this template using our version. Now, make sure you have your images. Okay. So I have here my photo. And aside from that, determine also the two brand colors that you're going to use for your cover photo. Okay. And then if you want to look for images, okay, so you can also use Pixabay, pixabay.com. Okay, so this is also a free site. So I'm going to look for calculator. So these are royalty free images, so you can download any of these free images. Okay. So I'm gonna change this one. I'm going to place a tagline. I'm going to improve or edit the font size. So take control of your business finances today. So I'm gonna that's 25. So this is from my Facebook page. Trust your finances to us. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one. And reconcile. Interpret, forecast, recommend. Okay. So instead of shop now, I'm going to place here book all here. Okay. So I'm going to change this one into Look for your brand color. Okay. So how about this one? Blue. And then this one, yellow. Okay. So let me change. We call here. Call here. We call here. So I'm going to insert, let's say, let me change this one. HTTPS. So for my calendar link, once you have the calendar link, okay, so I'm gonna copy the link and then paste this one. Okay, so this will be my I'm gonna use text color. Okay. Also place here your contact number. Or if you have the website, you can also place it here. Okay. Or your email address. So you have the Calendly link. Okay. And then contact number. And then my website. Or if you have, instead of email address, instead of the website address, you can place here your email address. Okay. You have your, and then you can change the photo here. So let's see. You can use this photo. Okay, so other photos. Let's try this one. Oops, so this is paid. So I'm gonna download. And then I'm gonna upload the picture. Load files, calculator. And on here. Instead, I'm gonna change. Eliminate this one. And then replace it. It's not clear. Okay. Okay, so what about this one? Okay. So go back to this one. I'm gonna upload this one. Right later. Okay. So here's the calculator. Okay. So just want to make it simple, clean. A little bit thinner. Okay. Clean up, reconcile, interpret, forecast, call here. Okay, so this is for the Facebook cover photo. Then you have your, if you don't have a website yet, you can place your email address. Okay. And your contact number. And then the calendar link. Okay. And then you can download this one. And you are now ready to place this one inside your Facebook page. Okay. So here's the okay. Here's the image. So we're gonna use this one once we start optimizing the Facebook page. Okay, so next is, let's go with the LinkedIn. Okay, so next is, let's say you decide to, you can also use this Facebook, this one, even for your LinkedIn. Okay, so you can also use this one even for your LinkedIn. How about, I'm gonna use this still LinkedIn background photo. Okay, and then I'll try to upload the Facebook cover photo. Let's see. Okay, can also do this one. Or you can start from scratch. It's no problem. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this one and I'm gonna use new one. Okay, how about this one? So let's use this template. So we're now done um, with Facebook. Okay, so this is clean and it's timely because you have here the desktop. Okay, you have the keyboard, you have the coffee. So you can also place here the name of your bookkeeping agency or even your name. Okay, so that's okay. And then here, you can place your hook offer or your offer statement. Okay, so there are lots of ways to optimize your profile. Okay, so let's try this one. Mhm. Try. I have e-commerce, business owners, simplify their financials. Okay. And then you can place here your contact number or 9645 and then place here your website. Okay. Globalbookkeeping.com. Okay. So I'm going to adjust this one. Okay, so this is simple. I help e-commerce business owners simplify their financials. Okay, I help e-commerce business owners simplify their financials. Okay, so you just correct also any misspelled words. Okay, and then you can also place here the what I call here. Okay, so here's my HTTPS dot tiny.com. Okay, so I see. Okay. I'd rather remove this one and then place a text. Let's say add a text box. Okay. So I help e-commerce business owners simplify their financials. Okay. You don't need any fancy design. You just have to do it. Okay. And then I think I have to place it here. And then this one below, book a call. I'm going to this one. Mhm. So this is simple, right? Direct to the point, easy to understand. Okay. So it shows your name or the name of your bookkeeping agency if you have. Okay. And then the offer is clear. I help e-commerce business owners simplify their financials. And then so if you want to make this, how about gonna use black? Okay. So the design here or the color here, it's more on black and brown and a little bit of pearly white, I guess. Okay. So you have here the contact number, the website. So if you don't have the website, just have to place your email address, globalbookkeeping.com, CGPS. Okay. So when my prospective clients will see my profile, they will see my name, my offer, okay, direct to the point, and then how they want, I mean, how they gonna contact me. So I have here the Calendly link where they can book a call or book a schedule. for the call or for the discovery call later. And then I have the contact number here and the website. So in case you don't have the website, you can also place here your email address. Okay. Then it's good to go. So next is download. As easy as that. Okay. So I'm trying to create something that is simple for you to start with. I guess you don't have any, you don't need an excuse not to create this one. So first, subscribe a free account, Canva. So you just have to Google canva.com. Okay, so canva.com. And then open account using your email address. And then from there, this is user-friendly, guys. Okay, so you don't need to use some Photoshop unlike before. It's very hard to create a design. This one, all you have to do is drag and drop. And then there are lots of templates you can edit. Okay, or if you are not satisfied with your design right now, it's okay. You can tweak that later, no problem. Okay, so for me, I change my design from time to time. So it's because I want also to have that fresh look. Okay, so remember also, at least you have your brand colors. So what are your favorite colors? For me, I use navy blue and golden yellow. So that's my brand colors. You can start from there. So do you love brown and then pearl white? Okay. So you look for the best colors that will complement your favorite color. Okay. So then I've already downloaded. So we have our Facebook and the other one is LinkedIn. Then we are good to go to fully optimize our profile. Okay. Thanks.